This is Berto, your friend, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to be doing something really nice. We're going to be smoking some salmon. So, we're in the backyard now because we can't smoke inside the house. That's stupid. We got a grill set up here, just a normal grill. You know, we got some briquettes here that I'm just going to count 20 of them. Okay, that's 7. I'm gonna do 30 because it's late and I don't want to wait later. And on the bottom, I've crumpled up some old bills that I'm not gonna pay, and some junk mail. And then this will help start the charcoal up. We're just gonna leave that to smoke. Should we try the other side? It's already starting to smoke. Ooh. Okay, it's going. So we're gonna let this go for about 10 minutes till the coals get white hot, and then yeah, and then we'll continue on. This is about 5 minutes later. The coals are coming along quite nicely. We're gonna give it more time, about 5 minutes. Coals are ready. We're gonna tip it over into one side. We're gonna put on one side of the grill here, all on one side. Indirect heat, man. Okay. Okay, this is very hot. Don't drop it. So we're gonna put the grill. We're gonna use our pokey stick. Just make sure it's on one side. We're gonna add our grill, our grates, right on. Actually, we're gonna put this side over the coals so we can throw some wood chips in there. I'm just gonna preheat this so I could clean the grill, and then I'll put the fish on. Expecto Patronum! So we're preheating our grill here. We're just gonna give it a quick clean. It's a little dirty. Plus, you don't want any old charred barbecue flavors on your fish, right? So give it a nice clean. I've cleaned this before. I'm just showing you. That's why I'm doing it kind of lazily. I've already cleaned it, right? And then, okay, what's next? Wood chips. So here I have some apple wood chips that I'm gonna add. You can add just about a handful like this. And then I'm gonna use my pokey stick to lift up the grill a little bit. And then I'm gonna throw these on. And then that's gonna create all the smoke that we need for our fish. Okay, I'm gonna take off these gloves. I have a paper towel that I've rubbed oil into. I'm just gonna rub the grill grates just so our fish doesn't stick. We have to work quickly because it's burning. Our fish right here. Boom, that's it. Oh, and then we want to make sure our exhaust is like set to like a small setting right there. And then we're gonna put a lid on it. Okay. Take your little pokey stick and make sure the exhaust is just open a little bit. You don't want it like open that much because that'll let the air out that'll let too much air out, so your chips will burn a lot faster. This way it'll burn slower, lot more smoke. It's already smoking, you see? That's what we want. We want all that smoke to get in the fish so it'll taste good. We're gonna keep this going until there's no more smoke, until all the wood chips have burned out. So that might be 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. I didn't put that much, so maybe 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. So it's been about 30 minutes since we've run this thing. It's not smoking anymore. Let's check what's going on inside. Okay, so our wood chips have all been, they're pretty much spent. And if you look at our fish, it has like an orangey, more orange glow than normally what a salmon would have, especially around the edges. That means the smoke is hitting it. That means it's getting smoked. This is very close to being done. Actually, this is probably done. Also, you can control the amount of chips that you want. The more chips you add, obviously, it's going to be more smoky. And we like it smoky, so we're going to add a little more. Just add a couple more chips. Not a lot, just a little bit. Because this salmon's pretty much done already. Just a couple, just be careful. Just a little bit. And then we'll use our pokey stick to kind of put it near the holes. Rearrange the coals a little bit. See, it's starting to smoke again. We'll give this another like 10 minutes and then we'll take it out and take it back to my kitchen. Stay tuned. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. And yeah, it looks like that now. You can see the smokiness right there around the edges. It's really has like an orange brownish tint to it. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna go have a taste in the kitchen. Welcome back. So we're back in the kitchen. We're gonna try this thing out. So we're gonna just take a little piece. It's been resting for a while. Oh, look at that. Look how it just breaks apart. The first thing you notice is the smell. It smells sweet, actually, because from the apple wood that we added to the fire. It smells sweet. I didn't add anything to this. I didn't even salt this. Smoky, salmony. So good. But we're not gonna eat this like this. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna eat it today. So I have a piece of white bread right here. Got some cream cheese. We're gonna spread it out. You don't want to be skimpy with this. You want to be thick. Oh man, that is not thick enough. Thicker. I said thicker. That's good. I don't want to be, I don't want to overdo it. Then we're going to take some more of that fish. We're going to crumble it up. Oh, it smells so nice. And then we're going to put it right on top. Right on. Lay it on nice. Lay it on nice. Gigi, do you want some? My dog is looking at me. She's eyeing this. Do you want some, Gigi? Oh, she sees it. All right, so we're gonna do a little lemon juice, just a little salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add some red onion, just a tiny bit. It's strong, so you don't want to overdo it. But then you want that nice flavor from the onions. And then avocado. I'm going to use my fork. Okay. And then some tomatoes. Little cherry tomatoes that we've sliced up. Alright. Make this nice and pretty for y'all. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And then on top of that, we're going to also salt that. Salt your tomatoes always, and then a little bit more lemon juice. I can't wait. Okay, let's see. Let's push everything to one side so I can take a bite of everything without looking like a pig biting a huge bite. That's so good. Mmm. See you next time.